Bitcoin has revolutionized the world of finance and changed the way we think about money. As Bitcoin gains more mainstream adoption, the need for secure and reliable digital wallets has become increasingly important. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on Bitcoin wallets. If you're new to Bitcoin, you might be wondering what a Bitcoin wallet is and why you need one. In this video, we'll explain the different types of Bitcoin wallets and provide tips on how to choose and secure your digital wallet. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Which is the best cryptocurrency wallet? The best wallet for cryptocurrency depends on your specific needs. And since crypto is always evolving, the answers can vary considerably from one month to the next. Being crypto-savvy means staying abreast of all the news and updates around digital currency. Many of the so-called best crypto wallets are actually malware. Wallet software should only be downloaded from trusted or recommended sources. Learn how to check if a crypto wallet is legit before using one. There's only one way to start down the path toward becoming an expert about digital currency, and that's to choose the best digital wallet. How do cryptocurrency wallets work? A cryptocurrency wallet stores a public and private key. When you send money to the wallet's public key, it appears on the blockchain, a ledger of all transactions for that crypto. Then, you use the private key to access money in that wallet. Physical wallets aren't actually devices full of Bitcoin. A cryptocurrency wallet serves as a security mechanism for the private key. Where does cryptocurrency exist? Cryptocurrency exists on the ledger of transactions known as the blockchain. To facilitate cryptocurrency transactions, you need a public key, which is like a bank account number. But you need a private key to access the digital money in the account. Think of the private key as a combined username and password. Both the private and public keys look like randomly generated strings of characters, but they're mathematically linked to each other, though only in one direction. You can use math to figure out the public key from the private one, but not the other way around. Multi-signature wallets. A multi-sig wallet requires more than one private key for access. These wallets for cryptocurrency add an extra layer of security in that a person who finds a paper wallet doesn't automatically have access to all the money inside. That way, your fortune aren't tied to a single piece of paper. Multi-sig wallets may be more appropriate for businesses, where responsibility for a group's money is shared among members. While the promise of greater security is enticing, multi-sig wallets may be too advanced for average users. Different cryptocurrency wallets, security and utility are the two primary considerations when choosing a crypto wallet. Pick a wallet with the level of security you need that also suits your lifestyle and digital habits. Choosing the right wallet means ensuring that only you have easy access to your crypto. Pick the wrong wallet, and you risk getting hacked or accidentally deleting all your money. And make sure your wallet supports the coins you wanted to trade. Hot wallets versus cold wallets. Hot wallets are online and connected to the internet, while cold wallets store your coins offline. Choose a hot wallet or cold wallet based on security and how often you plan to make cryptocurrency transactions. Hot wallets are easy to use daily, but that makes them riskier. Cold wallets are offline, so they're better for keeping larger sums safe. Online wallets. With an online wallet, you can access your crypto through the internet. These wallets are better for making small trades. Don't use an online wallet to trade or move large sums. Online wallets can only be hot and are ideal for pairing with a longer-term storage solution. There are also many types of wallets, such as mobile wallets, desktop wallets, paper wallets, and hardware wallets. How to secure a crypto wallet? As described above, some wallets are more secure than others. Still, you can learn how to secure your crypto wallet, whatever kind it is. Store most of your crypto cold. Send large sums to offline wallets and keep them there. Never keep a lot of money online. The most secure crypto wallet is an offline one. Regularly update software. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in older software to break into your devices. This does not just apply to the crypto software, it applies to all of your software. Install patches and updates whenever they are available to keep all your data secure, including your cryptocurrency. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.